on that 4320 John Deere. Got her in reverse. Clutch has lots of good travel in it. Clutch is nice and solid. Shift's nice. A little stiff going into reverse, guys. I'm keeping the throttle low just so you can hear me. Alright, we're going to go up into 3 there. Everything, guys, hydraulics, shifting, brakes are in excellent shape. This tractor is really good looking, guys. Like I said, pictures and videos don't do justice on this one either. I'll show you, I'll go to the other range on reverse. Okay, like I said, brakes are absolutely good. Up to 5. This thing's ready to go home, go to work, guys, or just park it with your collection. Either way, this is a very nice tractor. If you're looking for a 4320, gonna be pretty tough to find one this nice.